To lock your stitches at the beginning and end of your seam on the Pfaff sewing machine, you want to use the reverse button. Now, let me show you a trick that I learned at a very young age. First off, I don't start right at the edge of my fabric. I'll actually start in about a ½ inch and then start by going backwards. If I go over or off the edge of the fabric, no big deal. But then I have a perfectly locked seam back here. And instead of, if you started right at the edge and then you go forward and then you go back and then you go forward again, yes, there are 3 lines of stitching. And at a young age, I learned that I usually had to take out most everything I stitched, at least once. And this time, if I started here and then stitched back and then stitched forward, I only had 2 sets of stitches instead of 3 that I had to remove. A lot easier. Plus, didn't have to take so long. So when I usually get down to the end, we'll just pretend I'm there, I'll do my back stitches by holding the reverse button down here. And then as I got far enough back, then I just took the fabric out right then and there. And I guarantee those stitches are not going to come out here, and they don't come out at the beginning. So I don't need a triple version of it, but if I needed to take it out, it'd be a lot easier. But it is guaranteed to be nice and secure. So when you need to go backwards, just hold your reverse lever down, and when you want to let go, you'll be sewing forward once again.